I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace BMW 1 Series wing mirror, only ways. Start by disconnecting the battery and setting the parking brake for safety before work. Always remove interior trim gently to avoid broken clips or scratched paint. Keep bolts and clips organized in a tray. Test electrical functions before reassembling the door card to confirm mirror heating, indicators, and motor movement work correctly. In this video, I will explain how to replace BMW 1 Series wing mirror, only way. Begin by collecting tools and preparing a clean workspace with good lighting. Wear gloves to protect hands and use a soft cover over the door edge to avoid chips. Label connectors if needed to ensure correct reconnection. Keep a small parts tray nearby for clips and screws to avoid losing anything during reassembly. In this video, I will review how to replace BMW 1 Series wing mirror, only way. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free music and timer reminders while you wrench. It keeps instructions and phone calls easily accessible. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. If this helped, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you replace BMW 1 Series wing mirror, only way. Start by peeling back the door trim panel and locating the mirror wiring connector and bolts. Unscrew the bolts while supporting the mirror to prevent it dropping and damaging paint. Disconnect the wiring harness, install the replacement mirror, and reconnect the harness. Test mirror motors, heating, and indicators before tightening and refitting the interior trim panel to finish the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.